grateful that I got to learn from the Japanese style of volleyball kasi ang dami talagang matututunan from them. So hopefully, ma-share ko dito sa Pilipinas yung lahat ng ganito.
Gia, ano nasabi mo lang ngayon na nandun siya at the championship yung team line sa market?
Well, I know how hard they work for it. Team 9 naman, every season they work extra hard because they know all of the teams who are getting better every time. So, yeah, proud lang talaga ako sa kanila and I'm just really happy that I'm here to experience the Game 2 of the finals.
Yeah, anong next sa'yo? Parang may lumalabas na national team pool ka daw. May, ano ba, lalaro ka pa sa national team?
Yes, I'm going to play in the upcoming ABC Challenger Cup and, you know, I know very little preparation but we're going to give our best despite that. And, you know, all the time naman ready to step up for the flag cutting. Excited ako to play for the Philippines again.
Jay, ano naman sasabi mo sa naging performance ng Kyle taking up yung center role mo for Game 9?
Well, Carol has always worked hard. Even when I was playing with Team 9 before, she does her extra work, she comes early to training, she does her extra scouting, she asks whenever she wants to improve something. So this is, you know, the benefit. She's reaping everything she worked hard for, and I'm happy because she really held her ground. Nadala na yung Team 9 to the finals twice. This is her second time, and I'm just happy na mapapanood ko sila live this time kasi the last championship, I was just on my phone the whole time. Actually, I was barely watching. Pero ngayon, sobrang proud ako and ang laki ng tiwala ko sa kanila.
Ano sa tingin mo yung reason kung bakit yung Team 9 sobrang successful pa rin talaga ulit?
It's really the system. Everyone is really embracing lahat ng tinuturo ni Coach Sherwin. Everyone knows what their role is.